Hello everyone, welcome to Wealthy Wisdom. In this video, we're going to talk about the strategies on how to earn in crypto. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll go over the topic in more detail, so let's get started. If you have no prior experience with cryptocurrencies and are asking what is all of that crypto stuff, then this video is for you. The first technique is to simply assign a small amount of money to each investment. If you feel that cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology will be around for a long time, investing in blockchain and cryptocurrency is a good place to start. All of this, however, is subject to your assessment of the market's future trajectory. It looked absurd in 2017 that individuals who seemed to be drug traffickers were overweight and young kids as young as 16 and 17 years old could make millions of dollars using Bitcoin. This problem has been reported by a large number of users. It is feasible that they make a substantial investment early in the process. Granted, some individuals didn't understand they were investing when they were simply attempting to buy and sell dubious items. But they were making money because they stuck onto it when the value was extremely low and continued to hang onto it as the value increased. They were able to profit from the asset's rising value. There is a chance that there will still be an opportunity in 2022. But this depends on whether you feel it will continue to expand and if you believe it will be able to persuade a growing number of people to join in the long term. It's not too tough to get a grasp on. You may buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin with cash at any time by going to Coinbase, attaching it to any debit or credit card or even your bank account, and then using that card or account to make the purchase. Litecoin is another cryptocurrency that can be bought with cash. Simply go to Coinbase and follow the steps that are shown on the screen. The second strategy is to learn and earn money via crypto lending. It is the same as becoming a bank teller. Guess what banks do with your money while you're not around? They will take your money and invest it on your behalf, but the earnings will not be returned to you. They essentially lend this money to others in order to profit on funds that are not theirs. It is not necessary to be a bank to profit from it. You might begin earning Bitcoin by lending and winning crypto rewards. It is easy to earn additional income using Bitcoin holdings. You may be compensated for storing digital assets in your Bitfinex wallet. In the list of supported cryptocurrencies, digital currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether are included as examples of supported options. Because of this, the required minimum deposit is rather cheap and there is no search time involved. When you are ready to proceed, you can quickly and easily withdraw the bonuses to the Bitfinex wallet you created. Either you start to leverage your money in the same way that the top 1% does, or you start to put your money to work for you rather than keeping it all for yourself and not sharing it with anybody else. Neither option is a good one. The third strategy is that we are entering into a social media steamit. It is also a good way to earn bitcoins. When you visit their website, you will find that everyone is writing blog entries. Some people earn $15, $20, and $15 with the possibility of earning up to $100 per day. The reason they do this is that they get paid by creating a huge number of views on this blog piece or in blog in general. So advertisers are ready to pay them to start displaying something like this, which is advertising in front of all these individuals who are viewing this blog post. Most people would say, screw you, we're not going to give you any of that money. You could simply be a writer on our platform and receive a connection to your own small site. However, given you're helping us establish this platform and gain eyes, why don't we simply pay you back what we're also making? It's similar to the YouTube model where you generate a video and then pay you a percentage of the advertising money. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. The fourth technique for generating money with cryptocurrency is to begin researching and trading. If you are new to trading, Binance is a great place to begin your career. Trading cryptocurrencies entails taking a financial position on the price direction of individual cryptocurrencies relative to the US dollar or in pairings represented by the symbol crypto or dollar, or another cryptocurrency or in pairings denoted by the notion crypto to crypto. It is a very arduous approach to get started, which is why it is sometimes simpler to sell shovels during every gold rush. If you know nothing about trading, you will have to execute tasks such as technical analysis and draw little graphs, axes and lines, among other similar tasks. If you know nothing about trading, you will have to do tasks such as technical analysis. As a result, I would also recommend becoming an affiliate for this exchange since, instead of putting your cash at a risk, via day trading, you may provide crypto news on your blog or YouTube channel. With the Binance affiliate program, you can see that you may make up to a 50% commission every time someone registers up for this exchange. The competition is really low since this is a new trend that is truly gaining widespread popularity. I would also advocate becoming an associate of this exchange for this reason. Mining Bitcoin is the fifth strategy of earning money using cryptocurrencies. You should buy small or diminutive rigs to determine their daily profitability. You get $50, $37, and $20 every day, respectively. If you get a large quantity, you may be able to develop many streams of Bitcoin income. You will get mining equipment and rigs. Once you have one, you just need to obtain a Bitcoin wallet, which is called Exodus. I would be able to commence operations. To get started, there is no cost. You may immediately download Exodus and store your Bitcoin there, not comparable to your bank or wallet. In order to utilize these things, you must first join a pool such as Slush Pool account. During your absence, keep a watch on your farm to identify any further issues as they occur. Using the statistical data we provide, you will be able to determine whether or not your incentives are equitable. You may get one by visiting nicehash.com. A decent hash miner is both the most lucrative and the simplest to run. You have access to a huge number of examples and may instantly begin Bitcoin mining. However, you must first install the required mining equipment. It is difficult to grasp, particularly if you do not want to get acquainted with the lingo. If you believe in technology, it may be a nice pastime, but it can also be a little challenging, particularly if you're attempting to earn a lot of money without really loving your work. If you believe in technology, it might be a fun hobby, but it can also be quite complicated. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.